Hello everyone and welcome back to O-Level Oasis. This is your guide for preparing for your O-Level Biology Cambridge examinations. Today we are starting chapter 17, which is about inheritance. This chapter is a very important part of your syllabus, so it is important to pay close attention and understand the concepts clearly. Now, without any delay, let us begin. We will start with Unit 17.1, which focuses on variation. In this part, we will explore the key ideas that explain how and why differences occur among individuals of the same species. These are the topics from your syllabus that we will be focusing on, so make sure you keep them in mind as we go along. The detailed topical notes for this section are provided along with the video, so be sure to check them carefully. They will help you revise and strengthen your understanding. Now, let us begin with the lesson. We begin with Specification 1. This part of the syllabus asks us to describe variation as differences between individuals of the same species. Now let us first understand what the word variation means. Variation simply means differences. It refers to how individuals are not exactly the same and how they differ from one another, even if they belong to the same species. To make this idea clearer, let us take a simple example from humans. People can have different eye colors. Some individuals have brown eyes, others have green eyes, some have blue eyes, and some have gray eyes. All of these are examples of variation in eye color among humans. So even though all humans belong to the same species, we can still see clear differences between individuals. These differences are what we call variation. So to define it clearly, variation can be understood through this key definition. Variation is the differences between individuals of the same species. So, variation is a concept that helps us understand how individuals of the same species can still be different from each other. It refers to the observable differences that we can see among individuals, even though they all belong to one species. Even though organisms of the same species can interbreed, they are not exactly identical. There are always differences between them. These differences can be seen in physical features such as size, shape, color, and many other characteristics. For example, all domestic cats belong to one species and can interbreed, but they can still differ in size, coat color, eye color, and the length of their fur. Some of these differences are inherited from parents and are controlled by genes. These are called genetic variations. On the other hand, differences in appearance, which we call phenotypic variations, can be caused by genes, the environment, or a combination of both. It is also important to understand that not all variations are inherited. Some differences are caused only by environmental factors. For instance, a kitten that does not receive enough food will not grow as large as other well-fed kittens from the same litter. Similarly, a cat that develops a skin disease may have bald patches. These types of traits are not passed on to the next generation because they are caused by environmental conditions, not by genes.